Elementary School Video Assemblies by Shows That Teach and Start With Heart Productions. We offer several fun and meaningful video assemblies on topics such as kindness, bully prevention, recycling, SEL, and growth mindset. Some content was filmed live in front of a school audience, but most of the segments were filmed in our studio. We use puppets for 3 reasons. First, to make our videos fun. Yes, these characters are sassy enough to appeal to even 12-year-old students. Second, the puppet characters represent the student's point of view. And third, sometimes it helps to use puppetry to demonstrate abstract ideas such as empathy. Here are a few samples.
How was school?
Awful, horrible, dramatic, traumatic, schematic.
Well, this should be interesting. Do tell, Pee-wee.
Allie has a skateboard and I just wanted to try it out. No big deal, right? And she totally said no in the rudest way. Let me ride your skateboard.
How does that make you feel, Pee-wee?
I try to be thoughtful. It makes me happy to see others happy. And science says that dopamine in your brain gets released when you're kind to others. So it makes everyone happy.
Dopamine? Oh, okay. Yashara.
Yeah.
I have a question. And it's just me here. Are you an angel?
I have a challenge for you. And I have a challenge for you.
Me too? Okay.
Every day, I want you to say hello to a new person.
What?
Yep. Everyone say hi or hello to a new kid.
Can I say howdy?
Yes.
Can I say hey there?
Yes.
Can I say hola?
Yes.
Can I say konnichiwa?
Yes.
Wow, you mean when something is upsetting, creating art helps?
Yep. Drawing and painting helps me get stuff out of my head.
Well, I could use that once in a while, but I'm not an artist.
You don't have to be some great artist. You just do it.
My secret to making myself feel better is to cheer up other people.
What?
When I'm feeling down, if I'm feeling blue, to turn my blues around, this is what I do.
What's that?
All I do is start to spread a little joy.
So guys, as you're going through life, I want you to remember, most people are mostly nice most of the time. But along the way, you're going to meet some mean people. People want to hold you down and keep you back. People want to stop your dreams from coming true. When you meet people like that, I want you to remember what we said today. I'm a good person. I make a difference. Should you tell?
Jack is trimming kids.
Oh, yes. Should you tell?
Jane didn't eat her apple.
Should you tell?
Annie isn't wearing any socks.
What is that? No, you wouldn't tell. No. Should you tell?
Mike is being bullied.
Oh, yes.
Have you ever heard of the word gossip?
Yeah, how can I miss it?
Do you know what it means?
Yeah, eating trash.
No. Gossip is when you say unkind or negative or untrue things about people who aren't there. All the stuff everyone throws away every single day. All of it comes from planet Earth, and the worst part is that it ends up in a big pile of trash called a landfill. And it just sits there for many, many years.
Hello, Clyde the Can. Come on, Clyde. Great things await.
Now Clyde the Can becomes a Little League baseball bat.
I started taking lessons in 5th grade, and I was as good as you are now.
You were that bad?
But you know how I got better and better?
You met a magical elf?
I'm a magical elf.
No, I practiced and practiced and practiced.
I think I'll go look for that magical elf.
Whenever you do something for the first time, you may not be very good at it, but that only means you can't do it yet.
I'm successful because I learned a new word.
I'm successful because I finished my homework.
Simply send us a purchase order, and we will give your school a streaming link which may be played an unlimited number of times during the school year. It may be watched by a large group or in separate classrooms. For more information, visit showsthatteach.com.